Good Monday morning. I've had a very slow morning. I'm just trying to relax some. My body is very sore from the work I did yesterday, but today I need to get the house cleaned. I've already started running the dishwasher. I'll start a little laundry when that shuts off, and then I also need, well, my regular cleaning. If I can get all that done after I've had some lunch, I think I will attempt to figure out the nail gun and maybe finish the trim. We'll see if I get to that. Just thought I'd get this started. I'm gonna take like another 10 to 15 minutes and then probably start cleaning. It's about 9, it'll be about 9:30 when I start that. House is clean. It's 11 o'clock. Took me a little longer than normal, but I feel like I did a little more than I typically do. So anyway, I'm gonna take a break, probably have another pastry from yesterday and my cold coffee, and then we'll try and go back to, well, actually I might wait until after I have actual lunch before I try to attempt the floor trim stuff. I would like to get it done today if I can, just so it's not sliding around and I don't accidentally kick it. we're gonna go ahead and try and nail this trim down. I tested the gun in the garage, so I think I know what I'm doing. And I know the nail pressure and everything's set on the gun, so I can do that. Done. So I need to get the tools out to the garage. Ooh. I also want to make sure I register those for the warranties. I never did that with any of my other tools, so I'm going to be a better tool owner and get those registered and put all the manuals in an envelope I can keep in the garage. So let me take care of that, and then we'll get everything out to the garage away from where it is. Spent quite a bit just editing a video. I'm probably gonna edit this one tonight, but there's nothing else I'm doing, so I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I do hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.